Now that we have understood the two important fundamentals EI and EO, let's try to understand the third important aspect of function point, that is EQ, external queries. Basically, external queries are nothing but they are unique requests for retrieving data. One of the important aspects of external query is that it does not update any ILFs or EIFs. Now you must be comparing this with EO, because in EO also EO also help you to retrieve complex data. So how is it different from EQ? Basically, EQ only what you call retrieves simple information. It doesn't retrieve complex aggregated information. So for example, let's say that you have a customer screen and you are showing up a country drop down box. Then the country drop down box is a EQ, because it doesn't aggregate information from multiple ILFs. It just goes to the country master table and retrieves the data. So three unique features of EQs are: it is a unique request for retrieving data, it does not update any ILFs or EIFs, it does not contain any derived data, it simply retrieves data from a single table. So some examples of EQs are like dynamic drop down displays, simple reports with display from single table without data manipulation. Also, there are some other aspects of EQ, or we can say other points, or other we can say other scenarios where EQ can be used. If you have a different graphical display requested by a user, then that can be counted as a EQ. Help functionality, which displays context sensitive help, will be counted as one EQ per help. So if suppose you have a screen and where you press F1 and there is a help functionality coming, then you can count one EQ for that screen. Again, the complexity of EQs depend on two things, FTR and DETs. So here's the complexity table of EQ. So we can say that EQ basically are simple outputs, as compared to EOs, which have complex outputs. They aggregate tables, they take data from one ILF, EIF, merge them and display them, while EQs just go to one ILF and displays information.